Today we are tackling one of the most crucial parts of building an app, getting paid. I'm integrating Stripe to handle ticket sales, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Kevin and I've been working on this event planning app called Occasia. It's designed to make organizing events and selling tickets super easy. Over the past week, I've been building out the event creation flow, and today we are diving into one of the most important features, setting up Stripe to handle ticket sales. I've been really excited to work on this because let's face it, payments are a big deal. The good news is Stripe is going to take care of most of the heavy lifting for us. So let's start by defining the problem we are trying to solve here. The app lets event organizer create event, and each event comes with tickets that can either be free or paid. Once the payment goes through, the money needs to be split. The majority should go to the organizer bank's account, and a small fee should go to the app account. In short, we need to handle three main things: set up the application account, collect the organizer financial details, and split the payment between the organizer and the app. After some research, I discovered Stripe Connected Account, which turned out to be the perfect solution. So what are connected accounts? They are accounts tied to our app, but owned by the event organizer. Instead of handling all the money ourselves, Stripe let us create this connected account for each organizer. When a ticket is purchased, Stripe automatically takes care of splitting the payment. Most of it goes to the organizer account and a small fee goes to the app. Even better, Stripe handles collecting the financial details from the organizer, like their bank info, which means we don't have to worry about managing sensitive data ourselves. A pretty clean solution. Now let's take a step back and quickly review the app high-level architecture to see how we can implement this. At the moment, the client communicates with the backend via an endpoint, and we have a service that handles the database interactions, including retrieving and adding event data, as well as managing files in our S3 storage bucket. To implement the Stripe integration, we need to add two endpoints. One to trigger the creation of a connected account when the user signs up, another to create a checkout session when a user purchases a ticket. Let's start with the connected account creation. I decided to create a connected account when the user signs up. The Stripe SDK makes this process really simple. We just specify the capability we need, in this case the ability to receive payment and transfer funds between accounts. By creating the account at sign up, we can start collecting payment for ticket sales immediately. But there is a catch. The user won't be able to receive the funds until they provide all the necessary information, like bank details and identity verification. Stripe helps here too by offering a hosted page for collecting this information. It can even be customized to match the app's theme. Right now, I'm using Stripe Manage Hosted Page for simplicity and speed. It's a great way to get things up and running quickly, but in future version, I will be building a more customized flow right inside the app. Next up, let's look at how the checkout flow works. Stripe provides an embedded view that can be integrated directly into the app. When a user clicks, I use the Stripe SDK to create a checkout session. This session includes all the key details like the price, the quantity, the ticket name, and the fee that our apps collect. Once the session is created, Stripe automatically mounts the checkout view on the page, allowing the user to proceed with the payment. This makes it really seamless for the user to complete their purchase without leaving the app. For testing, Stripe offers a set of cards that allow us to simulate successful transactions as well as different types of error. This makes it super easy to test various scenarios and ensure everything runs smoothly before going live. And there you have it. Payments are now live in Occasia. I've got more cool features coming up, so hit subscribe to stay updated. And if you have any question or idea, drop them in the comment. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next one.